Welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how to customize the ribbon in PowerPoint 2010, so you can have the right tools you need to create icons readily available. In this video, I'll walk you through a demonstration of how to create an icon, and specifically a light bulb. A light bulb is an icon that can represent a concept or an idea rather than actually write the word concept or idea on a slide. I'll start by using the teardrop shape. I'll elongate it using the yellow knob and rotate it so the pointy end points exactly downwards. The next thing is to take care of the base. I'll use a series of ovals to mimic the bottom screw of the bulb. I'm just copying and pasting, right now actually using keyboard shortcuts, to create a series of ovals where the last one is narrower. I select all of them together and hit Shape Union to create one cohesive shape out of all the separate shapes. You can see that we still have remaining this pointy end beneath the base. In order to eliminate it, I'll select any shape actually that can cover it. In this case, I chose a rectangle. I select first the bulb, the shape that I want remaining. I then add to the selection by pressing down shift and simultaneously left clicking with the mouse on the shape I want to add. So I've added the rectangle to the selection, but I have these selected in a very specific order. So now when I hit Shape Subtract, you can see that the pointy end was removed. In fact, it was removed all the way to the point where the border of the rectangle was. Now I can place back the bottom screw, select these together and press Shape Union to have one cohesive bulb. However, if I want to have a distinct bulb, what I can do, and right now I just undo what I did, I am copying these two on the side, selecting first the bulb, then the base, and subtracting. You can see that now the bottom part is curved to follow the contour of the base. Now I no longer need the original bulb, and I can just place this slightly on top, hovering above. Now when I select both of them in union, I have one shape, but it has the distinct bulb. What I'm missing from the icon right now is actually the wire. To create the wire, I start with a rectangular base. I'll copy this shape and make sure that I have supports for the wire, rotating them as needed. Sometimes it can be tricky, but you can always get it. So, in order to make sure that this support is the mirror image of the right one in terms of the angle, I just go to Arrange, Rotate, and Flip Horizontal. So now they face each other pretty much accurately. I have this in the middle, but actually the middle one should be slightly shorter, as in a typical bulb. And to create the wire, I'll use a series of circles that will slightly overlap. Again, I'm just copying and pasting using some keyboard shortcuts, the Control-C, Control-V. And I'm using the arrows while Control is pressed down to fine-tune the position of these shapes. There we are. I select all of them together, hit Shape Union, move it around to make sure that it's centered with the bulb, and now simply choose first the bulb, then the wire, and hit Shape Subtract. And there you are. You have an icon of a light bulb. The benefit of having it unioned as one shape is that you can apply shape styles, for example, through formatting, and it will all be regarded as one shape, so you can get pretty cool effects. Another way to create icons is to have them framed For example, I can create a rounded rectangle. I'll actually send it to the back so I can see where I position the bulb. Position the bulb exactly in the middle. Select first the background, then the bulb, and subtract. And again, under the Formatting tab, I can apply any effect I want. And there you are, an easy way to create icons that fit your needs. Join me for the next video where I demo how to create icons based on real-world objects in order to maintain real-world proportions. Thank you.